Hello बच्चों, students, we have taken some new example to discuss the integration. Okay, so this is tan square x and we have to integrate it. Okay, so question is going to be integration of tan square x and dx. Directly we don't know any formula that can integrate tan square x, so we have to take the help of trigonometric identities, and we know that sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So tan square x is going to be sec square x minus 1. So I can say that sec square x minus 1 and dx. And we know the integration of sec square x, which is tan x, and integration of this constant, which is x plus c. And this is the simple answer. Come to the question number 5th. Fifth number says saying that x to the power 3 by 2. We have to integrate it. Okay, so x to the power 3 by 2 and dx. So what you have to do, just add in in power. So x 3 by 2 plus 1 and divide by the same power, and that is going to be 5 by 2 plus c. Or you can say that this is going to be 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus c, and that is your very simple answer. So we are taking very simple example so that you can understand the integration from the basic, and at the end we take very big problems, and at the end we also take the questions of advanced level. Okay, but this is just a beginning, so we are taking very easy problem. Now come to the question number 6. Question number 6 says that we have to integrate a to the power 4x. Okay, so as you know that I told you in the beginning that integration of a to the power x is ax upon log a. So integration of this is directly going to be a to the power 4x upon log a. Okay, and here the coefficient of x is 4, so we have to also divide by this 4 also. Okay, and this is your answer. Clear? So now we have taken very easy problems, and we go ahead and also take some another problem. Okay, now let's go ahead. Question number 7. Now if I ask that this can be some question can be the combination of trigonometric or logarithmic and algebraic function. Suppose that if I am saying that x to the power 5 plus you can take cot square x dx. This is the question, and very good question. What is the integration of x to the power 5? So now you can break it. Okay, so when you get this type of question, don't hesitate in integration. You can break in two parts. Now you have to integrate x to the power 5, which you know very well that it's going to be x to the power 6 by 6 plus. And what is the integration of cot square x? It's going to be very difficult. And if I ask that what is the differentiation of cot x, and you would say that differentiation of cot x, and that's going to be minus cosec square x. So if I ask the integration of cosec square x, you would say that minus cot x plus c. So we directly don't know the formula how to integrate cos square x, but we can convert in cosec and then we can integrate the cosec square x. Okay, always keep in your mind that in integration you cannot integrate all the functions. Okay, but in differentiation you can differentiate all the functions. Okay, so you can convert cot square x, in which we know that cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So this is going to be cosec square x minus 1 ds. We have integrated it, so another one constant will come for this. So that is arbitrary constant. I am giving the name c dash. Okay, and this is going to be x to the power 6 by 6, and cosec square x integration is going to be minus cot x, and integration of minus 1 is going to be x, and one another constant will come. I am saying c double dash for this, and this is the c dash, and I can add this. So final answer is going to be x to the power 6 by 6 minus cot x minus x and plus c. Okay, so this is the final answer. So in this way we can take so many examples and we can solve those examples very easily. Okay, now you can take a very easy problems, like let's take the 8th problem. Very easy. Suppose I am saying 3x plus 5 to the power suppose 10. you have to integrate it. So how to integrate? 3x plus 5 to the power 10 dx, and this is going to be 3x plus 5 to the power how much? Just increase, add 1, that is 11 by 11, and divided by the coefficient of x, which is 3 here. So divided by the coefficient of x and write c here, which is arbitrary constant. So answer is going to be 3x plus 5 to the power 11 upon 33 plus c. So in this way we are finishing this lecture here. Okay, and we have taken all these problems. You understand all these problems, and if I have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, in the next video we will discuss many more problems. Thank you so much.